Hello po, teacher and classmates. Today, I will be recite me and my giant. Examples of me and my giant. I have a friend who is a giant, and he lives where the troll which grow. He is high and wide as a barn, and I only come up to his toe, you know. I only come up to his toe. When the daylight glows dim, I talk with him way down in the marshy sands, and his ear is too far away to hear, but still he understands. He stands. I know he understands. For we have a code called the scratch stop code. And here what we do. Scratch his toe. Once means hello, and twice means how are you? 3 means does it look like rain? 4 times means do not cry. 5 times means I will scratch you a joke. And 6 times means goodbye, goodbye. 6 times means goodbye. And he answers me by tapping his toe. Once means hello friend. 2 taps means it is very nice to feel your scratch again. 3 taps means it is lonely here with my head in the top of the sky. 4 taps means today an eagle smiled and she flew by. 5 taps means oops, I just bumped my head against the moon. 6 means sigh, and 7 means bye. And 8 means come back soon, soon, soon. 8 means come back soon. And then I scratch 1,000 times, and he taps with a bapti beam, and he laughs so hard he skates the sky. That means I am tickling him. That's all, classmates. That's all, classmates and teacher. Thank you for watching for the poems. Goodbye.